Hi, my name is Jonathan Borges. How are you, friends? In this video, I'm going to talk about my best vacations. My best vacations, I went with my wife and daughter from the city Armenia. And in the month of September, I went through a tour travel agency. Was in the coffee part. It's a great park, has many attractions. During the day, first we had breakfast. We rode in several attractions, but the one in the liked the most was the roller coaster. I was there a whole day of fun with my family. We saw the coffee shop. Is fantastic. The coffee culture is great. Was a great day. We bought some souvenirs, uh, handlets, and keychains made with coffee. Very nice. Very nice in the series. Is the bar in the Paris fantastic. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.